Why do you guys want to be in this industry? Like, why entertainment? Why not like,
I always wanted to be an actor. मुझे परमिशन नहीं थी घर से और घर में मेरे एक्टर्स मौजूद हैं. मेरी अम्मा, मेरे भाई, मेरी भाभी सभी एक्टर्स हैं ऑलमोस्ट. बट मुझे ऑनेस्टली परमिशन नहीं थी क्योंकि मेरी पढ़ाई ऐसी थी. सो अम्मा का हमेशा से ये था कि नहीं, पढ़ाई पहले पूरी करनी है. और जो मैंने डेंटिस्ट्री की है, सो जो मसाइल हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में वो बहुत अच्छी तरह जानती थी. उनके कंसर्न्स अपनी जगह बिल्कुल ठीक थे कि मैं नहीं चाहूँगी कि तुम एक्टिंग की तरफ आओ और ये सारे काम करो. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि एक ना एक दिन ये होना है और मैंने हर चीज़ साइड में करके एक्टिंग शुरू करनी है. और लकीली मुझे हस्बैंड ऐसे मिले, इतना सपोर्टिव. उनको खुद को एक्टिंग का इतना शौक था तो उन्होंने कहा तुम भी शुरू करो, मैं भी शुरू करता हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ आई गॉट इनटू एक्टिंग. और अब फाइनली मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ.
What was the inspiration? एक तो you said ना कि घर में भी वो था,
इंस्पिरेशन
but what
सिर्फ
was
अम्मा
like?
थी क्योंकि वो प्रोसेस हमेशा से देखा था. एक्शन कट का जो प्रोसेस था, ड्रामे जिस तरह बनते थे, हमारे घर में भी बहुत सारी शूट्स होती थी. और ये होता था कि यार इसका हिस्सा बनना है एक ना एक दिन. इजाज़त नहीं थी, पता था बड़ी दूर है ये चीज़, लेकिन हो ही गया. सो दिस इज हाउ आई बिकेम एन एक्टर. या
Interesting. And for you?
I think I always was drawn to the performing arts, arts in general. I was not allowed either to study it. Also, I studied business. I worked in development for the first few years after bachelor's. I'm the type of person who has to work in something that I care about. That's a advantage and disadvantage in different circumstances. But तो मैंने वो किया. Land बहुत politicized है पाकिस्तान में, तो वो बहुत मुश्किल होने लगा वो project. And then I said, I'm going to do what I've always wanted to do, which I never had permission to. And in fact, severe backlash against it. Like, you're going to fail. This is not going to work. Like, there's no industry in Pakistan. Film क्या चीज़ नहीं. Theatre तो मैं हमेशा side पे कर रही थी और करती आ रही थी. तो
theatre was allowed.
Theatre was something that I did while I did.
All right. As a hobby, it's okay.
As a hobby, it's okay. Even that was not like my mother's side was okay. My dad never really liked it. But wo phir, you kind of just, as long as you're showing up for something else, not encouraged, let's say. And then I said, I'm gonna do what I've always wanted to do. If I was gonna move to Lahore at some point because the project that I was working in housing, it was so politicized. That was the year that Parveen Rahman was also killed. So it was just not a good space. I wanted to then get into directing. I was always acting. So that's what got me to do it.
Marine, आपका तो बिल्कुल भी कोई family background या वो context पीछे कुछ भी नहीं था.
No,
so why entertainment? And you did a little bit of journalism as well.
I did study journalism and then I did my internship in it as well. And that's when I realized that it's not for me.
But journalism पढ़ी क्यों? Like
पढ़ी क्यों? अम्मा अब्बा ने kind of पढ़ाई.
वो तो डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं बनाते अम्मा अब्बा ज़्यादा.
हाँ, that's true. But I didn't know उस वक्त तक what I wanted. What happened was I didn't finish my ZABST social sciences degree. I ended up going abroad for journalism because I wanted to be a writer उस वक्त. And I wanted to be into creative writing actually. So the fiction side, not reporting and all. वहाँ पे उन्होंने भेज दिया and I was too young to realize कि शायद ये मुझे बाद में करना भी ना. I was like, okay, let's explore this और अगर ये अच्छा जाता है तो ठीक है. So I did that entire degree. I came back, I did my internship. I didn't really like it. And then I tried out some other fields. So I worked in advertising agencies. I did some event management. I worked in fashion for a bit. They were all interesting and like, even fun. But they weren't like holistically fun. But like, I just felt interested in acting and I was like, chalo isko ek try dete hain. So I went to Napa and I did their like 3-year diploma and I didn't get bored of it, to be honest. Like that's why I've stuck out because.
So that's the second technically degree which you did, right?
Yeah, because it was a very like I was pretty old by the time I got done with it. Like I was in my late 20s already. जब मैं वहाँ से निकली, I was like यार अब इतनी लेट मैं फील्ड में आई हूँ, अब क्या होगा, काम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, शक्ल पे कौन सी एज आ रही, because it's so like people are so finicky about that here. But वो हो गया and I'm just sticking with it because मुझे अभी तक तो मज़ा आ रहा है.